Owning a home is part of the American dream. This is where you build memories and a future for the ones you love. It takes hard work to finally be able to reach that goal, and is the largest expense we have in our lives. During the last couple of years, we have seen a boom in the housing market. Many people have been able to finance or refinance thanks to new offers from lenders around the country. But when a market becomes very profitable, many unscrupulous people try to take advantage of it, turning your dream into a nightmare that threatens to destroy everything you have worked so hard to accomplish. Not anymore. Howard and Siri is here to fight for you and your family. They will defend your rights against the evil practices of predatory lenders who take advantage of hardworking Americans such as yourself. Howard & Nasiri is a consumer advocacy firm. They have fought countless battles against corporate giants and won. They are here to get back what is rightfully yours. Unscrupulous lenders have been taking advantage of hardworking people for too long. Howard & Nasiri are here to put a stop to that.
I speak to predatory lending victims all the time, and the predatory lending victims usually have similar stories to tell. And these stories usually involve fraudulent promises by mortgage brokers, promises that are never fulfilled. A lot of times, a predatory lending victim will tell me that they didn't even know what kind of loan they got until after the loan had closed.
During the boom of the housing market, there was a lot of money going around, a lot of money to be made. And what you had was a lot of unscrupulous lenders who were doing a lot of unfair business, deceptive practices and acts that were taking advantage of the consumer, stripping them of the equity in their home and plummeting our economy into a spiraling downturn.
I'm a teacher in the public school system in Covina, California. I'm also a single mom of 2 teenage boys. I did refinance because I had some debt that I needed to pay off. The mortgage broker that was in the office with me signing the papers was standing with his back to me. And I asked him, I said, "Don't I get a copy of these papers?" And then he turned his back to me and he started whispering to the guy in the suit. I was watching them and I'm thinking, what are they whispering about? Why won't they give me the papers? I felt like, and I still feel, that they totally just grabbed onto me and they wouldn't let go until they took everything they could.
This can be a very hard situation for you and your family. There are multiple red flags that can indicate that you have been a victim of a predatory lender. Ask yourself these questions. Was the loan a hard money loan, such as an interest rate above 13% and/or broker's fees more than 10% of the loan? Were you provided with a notice of right to cancel? Were you provided a complete copy of the loan documents at the signing? Did you receive loan documents that failed to disclose the material terms of the loan? Was there a difference in the material terms contained in the initial truth in lending disclosure statement when compared with the final closing statement? Did you have an unorthodox signing of the loan papers? If you answer yes to any of these questions, call us. We can help you take back what is rightfully yours.
But that's why I had to seek legal counsel and I had to file a lawsuit, because my name was forged on 2 documents. I never got my chance to even look at the documents after signing them. And I feel very violated. So I had to seek legal counsel, and I know that they have a lot of people that they are helping that are in this same situation.
If you are one of the thousands of hardworking Americans who have been taken advantage of, we are here to represent you and give you a voice. We have helped numerous people cancel their existing predatory loans and obtain drastically reduced loan amounts as a result.
If you feel that you or someone you know has been a victim of predatory lending tactics, call for a free consultation to find out if you have a claim under the Federal Truth in Lending Act or other similar consumer protection laws.
Remember, our firm will fight for you and get back what is rightfully yours. You will be reimbursed all the payments made on the loan, including all the interest fees, the loan expenses, civil penalties, and attorney fee.
We have spent years fighting on behalf of consumers just like you against very powerful lenders and corporations in North America.
We are proud to be consumer advocates, here to uphold justice and give you a voice. Let us help you take back what's rightfully yours.
Howard Nasiri, a winning law firm that will fight for your rights.